Have you ever spent hours or even days trying to create a perfect school timetable only for one small change to scatter everything? Or maybe you have used complicated online tools that demand subscriptions, internet access, or tech skills you simply don't have. What if I told you that with just one Excel template, you could automate your entire class timetable dynamically, offline, and stress free? Stay with me because in this video, I will show you how to do exactly that. Hello educators, I am Engineer Wahab Kabir from Edugreat Technology Solutions, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use our automated dynamic class timetable template designed specially for schools and teachers who want to simplify their scheduling without stress. This template works completely offline, requires no subscription, and comes with a one-time payment, lifetime access. What makes it special? Number one, it automatically arranges your class periods, subjects, and time slots dynamically. Number two, you can manage multiple classes from one workbook. Number three, it is color coded, printable, and easy to update. Number four, you can manually assign teachers while the system handles all the timing and arrangement automatically. And the best part is 100% Excel based, no complex software, no internet connection, no monthly renewal.
Now, let's see how to use the automated class timetable. The timetable has two pages. The timetable page, this is the timetable page, and the subject entry page. This is where you enter all the subjects for the class. You have entered six subjects here. You can enter as many subjects as you wish. Let's start from timetable page. On the timetable page, we have period duration. That's what we have allocated for time for our period duration. Short break 20 minutes, lunch break 40 minutes, class primary 2, lesson break 25 minutes, lesson period 40 minutes, assembly start time 7:30 a.m. Assembly period 30 minutes only. Now, let's practicalize it. Let's start from assembly. Assembly period, it starts from 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Assembly start is 7:30, you can see. And the assembly period is 30 minutes. Let's change our assembly start time. Assembly start time to maybe 7:45. 7:45. 7:45. You can see now, it has changed to 45 minutes. And this is 30 minutes assembly period. Let's change to 35 minutes. You see what will happen now. 35 minutes. 35 minutes. That's the assembly period. You can see it has changed to 28:20 here. That's 35 minutes. Now, period. Now, let's change the period time. The period time here is 45 minutes. Let's change it to 40 minutes. And everything will change automatically. You can see everything has changed automatically. Everything has changed automatically. Now, the next thing is short break. Let's change our short break. Let's change our short break. So, because we have three breaks here, we have short break, lunch break, and lesson break. Let's change our short break to maybe 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. You can see short break 10 minutes. It has changed to 10 minutes and everything has changed automatically. So let's change our lunch break time. Lunch break. Let's change it to 30 minutes. We have 40 minutes there before. Let's change it to 30 minutes. You can see you have changed to 30 minutes and everything changed automatically. So now lesson break is 25 minutes. Let's change our break lesson break to 20 minutes and you see the effect now. 20 minutes. You can see 20 minutes and everything change automatically. Lesson period, we have 40 minutes there before. Let's change to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. You can see everything has changed automatically. It's very dynamic. It's very dynamic. The next thing is subject allocation. So you have drop down list. Just click it. First period on Monday. What do we have? You can change it here. If we have your first period is English, just select it. Turn to English. You don't need to type anything. Second period, maybe you have history. Change it to history. So third period, you have mathematics. Let's go. Check our mathematics. So that's how you do for all the periods. That's how to do for all the periods. That's how to do for all the periods. So now when you have already allocated all the subjects, you can print it, you can print your timetable, you can share it in form of PDF format. Let's change it to PDF format to see the look of the timetable. Let's change to print PDF to PDF. So let's print it. Let's print it. So onto the desktop. So timetable, timetable, save it. Save it. Now let's check it on the desktop and see how it looks like. Wow, wow, very professional, very professional. You can see. So you can share it, you can print it. So we assume Monday to Saturday. You can see it's very clean, neat, and very professional. It's very dynamic. That's how to use the automated class timetable.
If you are tired of manual timetables, last minute adjustments, and repeated stress every time, this automated accessible timetable template is for you. It's one-time payment, no subscriptions, it works completely offline. It's simple, smart, and usable every session. Click the link in the description to get your copy now and start creating professional timetables in minutes, not hours. If this video helped you, like it, share it with other educators, and subscribe to the Technology for Educators YouTube channel for more practical data tools that simplify school activation. Thanks you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.